YouTube, what's the deal? I'm out here with the dogs. It's raining. So we just sitting on the little, sitting on the side of the house, just chilling, getting this breeze. Ain't that right, Rebel? Rebel. Rebel, ain't that right, Rebel? He camera shy. He hates the camera. Get up over here, man. Come here, man. Come here, Blue. Get up here. Blue. I know you not camera shy. You always want to be in the camera. Come on. Get out there. Get out there, girl. Get up there, girl. Come here, Blue. Rebel. Come here, Rebel. Come here. Blue, get off the family jewels, man. You on the family jewels, man. You starting to mature, man. It's this bad girl, man. She the bad girl, man. Yup. We chilling today. It's raining a little bit. It's raining. Come on, let's go in the rain. Come on, we want to go in the rain. Oh, shit. Where you at, Rap? Oh, shit. Let me get out of this rain, man. Yeah, just making a little video. Just chilling, ain't nothing to do. So I'll make a little video. Rebel. Blue. Blue. She getting tall. Get back. This is my little niece. Say hi, niece.
Hi.
Scared to look in the camera?
Bro, look. Leave me alone.
She's too dramatic. What you getting?
Mom,
Uh.
that handle won't open.
Uh.
Look. You're not going nowhere. Leave me alone.
They love getting in the car though. Every time the car door open, they be running to the car. Watch when that door open, they gonna run to the door. Oh shit, they ain't do it.
Leave me alone. Stop. That's why you hit your tail. Girl, leave my slipper alone. I'm not an idiot. So leave me alone. Leave me. Matt!
Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, I'm just a baby from the mud. You know what I'm saying? Peace.